Hola, 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 estudiantes! Welcome back to Immersive Spanish, but this time from the sunny streets of Málaga. So, I've had a chance to drop off my bags and leave them at the Airbnb. I'm ready to take to the streets, see what Malaga is all about. And off the bat, I can tell you that this feels very different to the capital. Feels like a world apart here in the south. And you know what? It's exactly as I imagined. The sun is shining, everybody's outside enjoying themselves, palm trees everywhere. So far, the first impressions of Malaga are amazing. So, join me as we not only learn Spanish, but discover more of this Andalusian city. Whoa! I've just entered La Plaza de la Constitución, the main square here in Malaga. Now, I want you to take a look at this. It's bustling, it's open, full of life. It just possesses a really nice atmosphere here. But you know, most importantly, you can hear Spanish all around me, and that's what matters. I mean, this is stunning. Qué ciudad más bonita, Málaga, eh? That literally means, what a beautiful city. Qué ciudad más bonita.
Let's go over some of the key Spanish you'll hear in this episode. I'm going to say each phrase twice, with short pauses in between. During each pause, repeat what you hear. The cathedral, la catedral. La catedral. Next, there it is. Ahí está. Ahí está.
So, according to Google, this place is named Plaza de la Constitución because it served as the city's main public square since the 15th century and was named or renamed to its current name in 1812 following the Constitution of Spain. Curious, huh? It's just really stunning. So, as you can see, very beautiful. But, although this may be Malaga's main square, there's a monument that is even more recognizable. And you can actually see it from here. There it is, La Catedral. I think we know which way to go. Come on. I'll tell you what, as I traverse these streets on the way to the Cathedral, there are three words I would use to describe the atmosphere here in the old town of Malaga. First of all, vibrante. It's lively and energetic. Vibrante. And peatonal. It's highly pedestrianized. And furthermore, elegante. Definitivamente, Málaga es una ciudad elegante. Yeah. Definitivamente Málaga es una ciudad vibrante, elegante y peatonal. Peatonal means that it's pedestrian friendly. No cars, in the old town at least. Perfect for walking. Whoa! Ahí está, mi gente. La Catedral Principal de Málaga. They actually call this La Manquita. Now, La Manquita means the one-armed lady. Now, that might sound a bit strange until you see this. As you can see, the cathedral was never actually finished. But I will tell you this. This is a monument. I mean, you can practically see this from anywhere in the city, really. And it's just beautiful. Malaga is one of those places where you can see something as beautiful as that, and opposite, people enjoying themselves, drinking coffee, having drinks. It's where history, culture, and atmosphere converge for an unparalleled Spanish experience, really. So far, I am loving Malaga. I know you can see some sunglasses on my face, but they're actually really tight, so I'm on a mission to find some new sunglasses. Do you know how to say sunglasses in Spanish? They are gafas de sol. Gafas de sol. Let's have a look.
Let's go over some of the key Spanish you'll hear in this episode. Next we have the sunglasses. Gafas de sol. Gafas de sol. To ask, do you sell sunglasses here? ¿Aquí vendes gafas de sol? Aquí vendes gafas de sol.
Maybe in here. Let's have a look. Hola caballero, ¿aquí vendes gafas de sol? Estoy buscando gafas de sol. Ah, ¿aquí? Ok. A ver. ¿Para hombres? ¿O para mujeres?
Diría que principalmente ahí para mujeres.
Es que no estoy tan quisquilloso, pero sería mejor... Bueno, está bien. Voy a seguir buscando. Gracias, hermano. So yeah, unfortunately, all the sunglasses they had in that shop were para mujeres. Y yo soy un hombre, entonces necesito gafas de sol para hombres. ¿Sí o no? Vamos a seguir buscando. We're going to keep looking.
I'm searching for sunglasses. Estoy buscando gafas de sol. Estoy buscando gafas de sol. It's very shiny. Es muy brillante. Es muy brillante.
So, whilst I continue my search for gafas de sol, I would like to teach you something. To say I need gafas de sol would be necesito gafas de sol. But as you can see, I have some already. So, I don't need them. I want them. In which case, I would say quiero gafas de sol. Quiero gafas de sol. Oh, it's beautiful here. So, let's see. I've just found another shop. Let's see if we can find anything that we like. Hola, caballero. Aquí tienes gafas de sol, sí. Okay. Sí. Una pregunta. ¿Los lentes son polarizados? ¿Los lentes? Ok. Estaré de vuelta. Bueno, gracias. So, to be honest, what I saw there didn't really flatter me. No me favorecen. No me favorecen. They don't flatter me. So, we keep looking, don't we? Let's go.
An important distinction. I ask an individual, ¿Aquí vendes gafas de sol? But if you wanted to ask multiple people, then you would instead say, Aquí venden gafas de sol. Aquí venden gafas de sol. So rather than it being vendes, you would say venden. And in doing so, I am changing the subject of the verb from you, singular, to you, multiple. Vendes, you sell. Venden, they or multiple you sell. Moving on. To say, let's continue searching. Vamos a seguir buscando. Vamos a seguir buscando. One more time. Vamos a seguir buscando. Let's keep searching. To say, I need sunglasses. Necesito gafas de sol. Necesito gafas de sol. Think it's a necessity. Necesito, I need. However, to say I want sunglasses would be quiero gafas de sol. Quiero gafas de sol.
Here we go. I think I see some. Hola, buenas. Which one do I want? What do you think would fit me, guys? Nothing too garish. Maybe these? These ones are pretty nice. Hola, caballero. Esta, por favor. Estas gafas. ¿En cuánto serían? 8. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta, por favor? Gracias. Ah, ya, por favor, con permiso. En euros, por favor. ¿Sí? Muchas gracias, amigo. Muy amable. Que tengas un buen día. Just like that. So easy. Well, satisfying when you order things in Spanish. Sets you apart from the other tourists, let's say. So, moment of truth. I want you to be honest. How do I look? Yes. Terminator? They'll do. Me costaron 8 euros. 8 euros. 8 euros. Está bien, ¿no?
I also ask, are the lenses polarized? ¿Los lentes son polarizados? Los lentes son polarizados. Los lentes son polarizados. Let's practice the word polarized. Polarizados. Los lentes son polarizados. Una pregunta. ¿Los lentes son polarizados? After trying on a certain pair of sunglasses, I mentioned that they don't flatter me. No me favorecen. No me favorecen. One more time. No me favorecen. They don't favor me, they don't flatter me. Finally, when I find the ideal sunglasses, I asked, "Can I pay with card, please? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta, por favor?" Puedo pagar con tarjeta, por favor. After having paid, I wished the vendor a good day. I hope you have a nice day, or that you have a nice day. Que tengas un buen día. Que tengas un buen día. Or if you wanted to be more formal, we would drop the S from tengas. Que tenga un buen día. Que tenga un buen día. And finally, the one-armed woman is la manquita. La manquita. And of course, I'm referring to the very distinct Cathedral of Malagá.
Entonces, estudiantes, I have my new glasses, as you can see. Me siento guapo, feeling handsome. And I think it's time to end today's episode. Well, let's not forget, I took the train here from Madrid and, well, I'm exhausted. So, como siempre, hasta la próxima.